Hey, everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, right in front of the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. Gonna step inside, see what's going on in there, and then afterwards, in a different video, I guess, I will check out the Miracle Mile Mall. There's a lot going on there as well, so let's head into Planet Hollywood and check it out, shall we? Gordon Ramsay's burger is the winner of both burger challenges I did here in Las Vegas probably over 2 years ago. I think it's time for a new burger challenge. I'm heading there in a few weeks. What do you say? Enjoy what you like when you want it at Cafe Hollywood. Breakfast is always on the menu, dinner is served even later, and the counter is always ready to satisfy your caffeine and sugar cravings. In the mood for a drink? Relax at the wine bar and lounge. This is the Heart Bar, encompassing the elements of an epic Las Vegas party. You'll love the music and the sultry vibe of the Heart Bar. Speaking of vibe, when editing videos, I always struggle to figure out what kind of music to play, whether it's going to be jazz or contemporary or rock and roll or electronic or even opera, classical. In this case, I thought, let me try disco, and you know what? It worked. And as luck would have it, I couldn't believe how many mirrored balls this place has. Earl of Sandwich, there's a couple here on the Las Vegas Strip, and I had I think it was called a Thanksgiving Day sandwich here. It was like turkey with stuffing and gravy and cranberries, and it was really good. A good value too. I don't think it cost more than, $10-11 with some fries and a drink. That video is available here on the New York channel. Yolo is a Mexican restaurant here at Planet Hollywood. Photo opportunity. For the record, the 6 train takes you from Lower Manhattan all the way up into the east side of the Bronx. Everybody pretty much has a P.F. Chang's back home. I don't need to tell you about it. Let's head upstairs to the Mez, shall we? Hold on tight! After over a decade of dominating the world of magic, Criss Angel is back where it all began. This brand new 90-minute live spectacular is a groundbreaking production that integrates the most sophisticated, cutting-edge technology. For some reason, Criss Angel's usually beat up a lot on social media. I don't know why. He seems like a cool guy, but I really don't know him. Social media, as you know, could be a war zone. I'm so happy we're all allies here in the little New York community we've built. Up here are 2 restaurants, Strip House Steakhouse, a glamorous steakhouse in a vintage Hollywood setting with decor like no other and a menu that excites all the senses. And right next door, Koi serves fine Japanese-inspired cuisine with California influences in a glitzy, mood-lit ambiance.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I have a few quick moments left over in this video, so I thought I'd show you around Miracle Mile shops real quickly. Lots going on. Last time I was here several months ago, they were in the middle of all the construction, a big facelift outside on the strip. Lots of stores have changed, lots of restaurants have changed. I can't wait to get back here in a couple of weeks and show you guys the finished product, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. I know last time I was here, they were just finishing on huge LED screens that they're putting up in the front of the mall, the Las Vegas Strip entrance. And those screens are going to bring even more light to the Las Vegas Strip because, well, we all know that there's not enough signs on the Las Vegas Strip. And by the way, if you didn't know, the Miracle Mile Shops is attached. It's part of the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino, as is their Earl of Sandwich. Let's head over there. I'll show you that sandwich that I had. So I got the holiday turkey sandwich, that's what it was called, with sliced roast turkey, stuffing, cranberries, some brown gravy. It was really good. Of course, I told them to leave the mayo off.
Gross! Gross!
It all came to $13 plus tax. Pretty good deal. I hope you enjoyed this Planet Hollywood video, and I know every time I pass the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino on the Las Vegas Strip in the future, I'm gonna want to put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.